Choosing tires can get a bit tricky when you take a look at all the different options that are out there between all-season, all-terrain, and mud-terrain tires. This Mickey Thompson Baja MTZ P3 tire fits all year Wranglers and is for the Wrangler owner who's looking for an aggressive off-road performing tire. This tire will also be offered in different diameters between 32 and 40 inches, fitting any 15, 16, 17, 18, and 20-inch wheel. This MTZ P3 tire is going to offer a lot of performance to the off-roader looking for a ton of traction, a strong compound, and an aggressive design. Looking at tires all across the board, you're usually going to be left with those three categories that I mentioned before. You're going to have an all-season tire that's really going to commit to on-road driving. You're going to have an all-terrain, which is going to do a really good job at on- and off-road performance. And then you're going to have a mud-terrain tire like this, which isn't going to be as road-friendly for daily commuting, but will do an amazing job while you're off-road and on the trail. This MTZ will be a great choice for anybody who's doing a decent amount of off-roading and is concerned about their traction off-road, as well as looking for a tire to get the job done and do it very well. This MTZ P3 is going to fit right into that mud terrain category and is going to be a pretty big step up from its predecessor, the MTZ. Starting off with the design of the tire, this is going to have very large lugs with some good space between them, and that's where you're going to get all of your performance and all of your traction. They're going to be a bit bigger than the traditional all-terrain and will have enough space between them for self-cleaning. Since the lugs are spaced this way, they will be able to fling out any dirt or mud that's going to be stuck in them on the trail, avoiding it from becoming a slick. Not to mention all of those cuts or siping in each of the lugs is going to allow the lug to move, push the water out, and increase that traction. But where it's different from the MTZ or the original mud terrain MTZ by Mickey Thompson is that it has central siping. This will cut back on any chipping or damage to the lugs while helping you push that water out. Mickey Thompson designed the sidewall for more abrasive terrains, helping you break down the terrain, giving you some more traction while you're out on the trail. On the side, you'll see a line between the top of the lug and the side of the lug, and Mickey Thompson calls this their decoupling groove. This will offer some extra flex within the tire when you air it down, giving you some of that extra cooling to the tire. The compound on the tire is going to be improved as well from its predecessor, and it's going to be a lot stronger than some of the other options out there with improved chip and cut prevention. Because of the improved compound, this will also have a lot better of a wear life, and it will wear more evenly like an all-terrain or an all-season tire, which is an improvement considering mud terrains don't wear that well. This will also have a 3-ply design with 2 plies wrapping around from bead to bead like a standard radial tire, but this will have an angled 3rd ply that provides a lot more strength to the actual tire and prevents puncturing just that much more. As far as price goes, it will depend on the size tire that you're getting, but these will have a baseline price of about $200 and can range up to $450 depending on the tire size that you're looking at. This will be a little pricier in comparison to some other more cost-effective choices. However, what I can tell you is that if you're looking to invest in a high quality and very functional tire, then this is definitely a great choice to consider. This will incorporate a very durable and very high-performing design that's good for somebody who's really looking to take advantage of their traction while they're out on the trail. So that's going to wrap it up for my review on the Mickey Thompson Baja MTZ P3 tire. Make sure you like and subscribe, and for more product reviews and installs, keep it right here at extremeterrain.com.